In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect keyboard to Synthesia. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up any keyboard that you have in conjunction with Synthesia is extremely simple. First, check the back of your specific keyboard and see which ports or which cables you have access to. In this example here, I'm showcasing how to connect a Yamaha E473 keyboard. For you, of course, this might differ, so it's important to be aware of which cables and ports you have available. If you are unsure which cable you need to use, check the manual for your specific keyboard. On this one, you need a USB-B cable. So you plug one end of the cable into the keyboard and the other one goes into a device that is running Synthesia. This can be a PC, a laptop for example, and usually if that's the case, then you directly connect it using the USB-A end. But if you are using Synthesia on a mobile device, then you might need one of these hubs or adapters that give you access to a USB-A port. After you plug it into one of these USB-A ports, the other end goes into your mobile device that is running Synthesia. Again, it's going to depend entirely on the keyboard model that you are using and the device that you have running Synthesia. Once you have established the connection using the proper cable, the next thing to do is to open Synthesia, go into the settings, and under the general category music devices, it should appear here. So check to see if you see your specific keyboard model listed, and if you do, it means that it was detected and it is ready to use. If it is not appearing in that list, it means that it is not detected and you have to troubleshoot the issue. It could be the cable, the port that you are connecting it to, or the actual device. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.